Chevrolet.
It's a pilgrimage across the country as America's best-known sports car heads home. National Corvette Caravan is on its way to the Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky to celebrate its 25th anniversary.
They are making their way to Bowling Green, Kentucky.
Kentucky bred, born and raised, the bluegrass state, USA. UK flags flying high in every yard that we drive by. Running down the country roads, hills and valleys everywhere we go. I stopped by the IGA to grab a bottle of cold L8. I'm proud to be from Kentucky.
Well, if you saw hundreds of Corvettes rolling through the tri-state this afternoon, you weren't imagining things.
Well, a Corvette Caravan is on its way to Bowling Green to celebrate a very special anniversary.
You may have seen a large fleet of Corvettes cruising through our area today. The National Corvette Caravan has been dubbed the largest automotive event in the world.
Owners from all over the world took part, including Australia, Belgium, and Canada.
And that's why I'm proud to be Kentucky bred, born and raised, the bluegrass state, USA. UK flags flying high in every yard that we drive by. Running down the country roads, hills and valleys everywhere we go. I stopped by the IGA to grab a bottle of cold L8. I'm proud to be from Kentucky. Yeah, we've traveled near, traveled far.
I'm coming in all the way from Alaska, and they're just kind of picking up more and more as they make their way to Bowling Green.
Check out all of those Corvettes. They are getting ready for a 7-day trek across country.
It's one of the most iconic cars in American automotive history. Every 5 years, Corvette owners from around the country make an automotive pilgrimage to Bowling Green, Kentucky.
About 14,000 people will gather in Bowling Green, Kentucky for the celebration.
Born and raised, the bluegrass state, USA. UK flags flying high in every yard that we drive by. Running down the country roads.
Coming in from Highway 41 South in here to Ellis Park because they are all these Corvettes, as you just mentioned, Andy. They are making their way to Bowling Green, Kentucky.
I'm proud to be from Kentucky.
1953, that was when the first full-scale Corvette concept was displayed. It was displayed as a dream car, and I tell you what, it still is a dream car to this day.